Steve Chappelear, Director of Manufacturing here at Westcamp Press in Westerville, Ohio. The company was started back actually before Prohibition. We printed all the Anti-Saloon League propaganda that were loaded on trains and sent all over the country. The new HS125 is our 8th EFI VUTEk press, and over the years we've had everything from a 2 meter to the 5 meters. We do a lot of retail work, and retail work tends to be very quick turnaround, so we needed something that was high quality and dependable and quick. The fact that the 125 was a hybrid machine was a huge benefit to us. We get things that are a very short time frame, and we need to be able to turn them, and we don't know if it's going to be a roll-to-roll job or if it's going to be a sheet job. So this enabled us to do both in a short amount of time. Everything we do has to be cross-platform match as far as color is concerned. We are a G7 house, so we have that consistency throughout our workflow, but it was very important for us to be able to have consistency throughout everything we do. I think the most impressive aspect of the 125 has been the speed and quality. You usually have to compromise one way or the other. With the HS125, it has not been that way, and it's been a pleasant surprise to us that the speed has actually exceeded what we were told from the beginning at a quality level that is impeccable. It's great. We were shocked at the throughput on the roll side. We have a 3/4 loader on the machine that we purchased, and we were concerned at how that would work with the roll-to-roll, and it has been amazing. Speed-wise on the roll side has been one of the biggest surprises that we've encountered with the purchase of the press. I think the biggest capability we didn't have before the HS125 was the pin and cure option. We love the fact that we can change from a matte finish to a very gloss look on all the products that we produce. And again, that's critical throughout our work environment because we're trying to match whether it's press sheets on the offset side or the digital side. We've been able to take some jobs that before the HS125 we probably wouldn't have attempted digitally. We've taken some here the last couple of months that have been incredible. I mean, 5-digit numbers as far as sheets are concerned, and we would never do tens of thousands of sheets digitally. We were successful in doing a large run recently that turned out awesome. The Fiery Pro server has been a great server. We didn't start with Fiery when we started on our journey with EFI and VUTEk. We started with a different rip and reluctant to change, but once we did change to the Fiery, we've been pleased. Everything that we process is a large file, especially on the grand format side. We're processing in many cases impositions on the board side, and those files are huge, and it has no problem processing very, very fast. The lower ink costs, along with obviously increased throughput and speed, do enable you to, on the bottom line, and it helps the bottom line of your business. We've also found that we have very little waste. Very little sheets that we have issues with because the HS has allowed us to purge less, so we have less ink waste on the actual maintenance side of the press. Once we start running on the press, there's very little downtime as far as throughput and productivity. The purchase of the HS125 will help us sustain our growth of the last few years through increased capacity and increased ability to meet customer demands. Again, the retail side of our business is so demanding. We need to be able to turn quickly to meet those demands and those needs, and this is going to allow us to do that.